morning. I'm here today at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference with David Morgan. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, silver unfortunately earned the distinction of being 2013's worst performing metal. What needs to happen for that to change in 2014?
Well, Charlotte, 2013, a fact, silver really did have a horrible year. And it's typical of silver to overextend on the up and the downside. So what has to happen this year in 2014 is for silver to come off the base that it's building now and move upward. I don't expect a real significant year this year, but I think we're going to see a good year for both the metals.
Okay, that's great. So what would you tell investors who are concerned about investing in silver in today's market?
I'd say is buy bottoms. It's been my history that people don't buy bottoms. When I started the website, I had the ability to get people into the Central Fund of Canada that was selling at about an 8% discount to the net asset value. So you can buy silver at about an 8% discount. I got all kinds of hate mail and let's say rude type of remarks when it was a fact that you could do that. People were not interested in buying a bottom. Here we are at another bottom. I think this is the most significant bottom we'll see in this bull market relative to where the price is going to achieve, the price it'll achieve eventually. So it's a time to buy, but there's fear in the market and people don't buy under fear conditions, but they should.
Okay. All right, so back in September when the CFTC wrapped up its silver manipulation case, you said that based on the phrasing of the announcement, the door is still open for investigation. Do you see that happening anytime soon?
Well, what I meant to convey was that the CFTC said they didn't find enough evidence to pursue the case any further. Mm-hmm. So they couldn't go into any prosecution or further the case. As far as this open, there's a possibility, very remote. I don't see it ever going forward. I think it's done. I think everybody that's in the silver community, the gold community, understand what's going on with the regulators, that it's something that's basically a waste of time at this point. Not that it isn't important, but to expect the authorities to do something, I think, is a pipe dream. It's not going to happen.
Okay. All right, and finally, with the new year beginning, everybody's wondering what silver's going to do. What is your take?
Well, silver's coming off a base. It's going to trade here in the low 20s for a while. We'll see a pretty good run in the first quarter of 2014. Probably see something through the summer that backs off somewhat. And I expect to see silver achieve the $30 to $34 level sometime during the 2014 year. And gold, I'm looking for something above the $1,550 level, probably up to the $1,700 level.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you for joining me this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you.